Welcome back to Auto Reviews, your trusted stop for everything on two wheels. And today, for wheels too. In today's episode, we take a sharp turn into the world of cars as we explore the 2026 Mahindra Maruti Suzuki Swift, the latest evolution of India's beloved hatchback, now reborn with smarter tech, improved performance, and bold new styling. Let's dive in and find out why the 2026 Swift might just be the ultimate small car for India in this decade. Exterior, fresh, bold, and modern. First up, the design. The 2026 Swift is a head-turner. It still holds on to the compact charm of the original, but now features a sharper, more aerodynamic silhouette. The new LED DRLs are sculpted with character, flanking a wider front grille with sleek chrome accents. The floating roof design returns, but this time with dual-tone options that give it a sporty edge. From every angle, it screams youth, style, and purpose. Whether it's the new 16-inch diamond-cut alloys or the redesigned rear bumper with integrated reflectors, Mahindra Maruti has made sure that the 2026 Swift doesn't go unnoticed on the roads. Interior, comfort meets technology. Step inside, and you'll be greeted with a completely revamped cabin. Soft touch materials, ambient lighting, and a larger 9-inch infotainment touchscreen steal the spotlight. The SmartPlay Pro Plus system now supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, voice recognition, and even connected car features via Suzuki Connect. The digital instrument cluster is vibrant and customizable. The seats have improved bolstering, offering comfort for both short drives and long highway runs. Rear passengers now get better knee room and dedicated AC vents. Finally, a Swift that thinks of the back seat. Engine and performance, efficiency with a punch. Now let's talk performance. The 2026 Swift comes with an updated 1.2L dual-jet Z-Series petrol engine, tuned for both performance and fuel efficiency. It produces around 92 brake horsepower and 113 Nm of torque, offering a balanced city highway driving experience. Paired with a refined 5-speed manual or the new CVT gearbox, the Swift feels zippy and agile. Mileage? Expect a class-leading 23 to 25 km/L, thanks to Maruti's Hartect platform and smart hybrid technology that reduces fuel consumption during idle and traffic crawls. Safety, stronger than ever. Safety has been a major upgrade in this new Swift. Built on the improved Hartect platform, the car now meets stricter crash test norms. It comes with 6 airbags in higher trims, ABS with EBD, hill hold assist, electronic stability control, rear parking camera, and ISOFIX child seat anchors. Maruti knows that the Indian customer is becoming more safety conscious, and they've responded with the right updates. Variants and pricing, something for everyone. The 2026 Swift is offered in 4 main trims: LXi, Vishi, Zishi, and Zishi Plus. Depending on the variant and transmission, prices range between 6.49 Indian rupees lakh to 9.99 Indian rupees lakh, ex-showroom. Optional accessories packs include a sporty body kit, infotainment upgrades, and contrast roof wraps for those looking to personalize their ride. For this price bracket, the Swift competes with the Hyundai Grand i10 Neos, Tata Punch, and Renault Triber, and confidently holds its ground with brand trust, reliability, and style. Who should buy it? If you're a college student, a young working professional, or a small family looking for a dependable, stylish, and fun-to-drive car, the 2026 Swift ticks all the boxes. It's compact enough for the city, comfortable enough for weekend getaways, and efficient enough to keep your fuel bills low. Plus, with Mahindra's growing dealership support and Maruti's service network, after sales is no worry at all. Final verdict: Swift just got smarter. To sum it up, the 2026 Mahindra Maruti Suzuki Swift is more than just a facelift. It's a full-on evolution that respects its heritage but embraces the future. Sleeker, smarter, safer, and more tech-loaded, the new Swift continues its reign as India's favorite hatchback. Outro. Like, share, and subscribe. That's all for today's review on Bike Review Hub. If you enjoyed this video, Hit that like button, subscribe for more honest reviews, and drop a comment telling us your thoughts on the new 2026 Swift. Would you buy it, or are you waiting for something else? Until next time, ride safe, drive smart, and stay tuned to Auto Reviews.